Hey guys, yeah, I'm gonna make a summer video, and I'm really tired. That's why I'm not getting my words right. But it's 7:51 a.m. and last night was going to go to bed at like my sister. I came to my dad's house because I was at my dad's house this whole week, well, last whole week, and then after that. I came here to my mom's house and we had a barbecue yesterday for Father's Day and all that stuff and whatever. And yeah, and then after that, well, way before, not like a week before summer or the day before the last day of school, my friend let me borrow her hair straightener. And this really has nothing to do with summer, but I texted my friends on my phone saying I have 2 hair straighteners because I told them I have one, and then they told me to make a video showing them because I guess because it's summer, so there's no way of really communicating like that. So she told me to put a video online to show her them. Yeah. So the day before, the day before the last day of school, that night, my mom, she got me a mini one because I picked it. I picked the mini one and it came with this bag like this, and it has it's so small, like really, it's freaking ass small. Small it is. Size of my head, not even. But yeah. Then after, my dad got me a hair straightener like this. It's way bigger than the other one. I like both of them though. And I used this last night when I didn't sleep. So it's all untangled. And it also came with a bag. So it detaches. What the heck? It detaches like this. So for example, if it's on your counter, because this is here, you can rest this on your counter and rest your hair straighten out. Then there's Velcro right here. This is the cutest little bag ever, but whatever. Then it attaches like this. Like this. Put it in. Yeah. So my friend, not gonna say her name. That's what my hair straighteners look like, since you were wondering. And it's summer. You're free for how many months you're off? I'm off for 3 months. So I think 3 months. I'm not even sure, but I'm off, I believe, for 3 months. You're off for as many months or whatever as you are. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy your summer. Bye!